All right, I want to show you this property real quick. Dining room, big high ceilings, tile throughout. We'll shoot over here real quick. This is like a little office. Nice French doors, hardwoods. We're doing this quickly because there's a lot of people in here. Nice size bedroom. That bed is a full size. Nice bath. Another bedroom. They're using it as a little sitting area, but is the same size as the other property or the other home. Here's another bedroom. Nice view of the lake. The bath that shares with the outdoor area, but it is a full bath. Give you a shot from here. Real pretty. The entrance.
The two screens by the window, by the piano.
Then we have dining. We're going to shoot around the kitchen. We got people running from us all over. Nice kitchen. We'll end up in the master here, and we'll end it in the master. Big master. Real pretty. Big walk-in closet. Safe room. Again, wood to tile. Big shower. Two vanities. Jacuzzi tub. And again, right out to the outdoor living space. That's what everybody wants in a home anyway, when you're down here.